Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the very famous clean girl makeup look. So as always, I'm going to start off with freshly cleansed and moisturized face, and also clean girl aesthetic calls for a sleek bun and some minimal jewelry. And starting off with the makeup today, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a really good primer to moisturize my face because I have dry skin. It just gives a healthy glow and moisturization to my skin. And the next product I use is the Lineage Glowy Makeup Serum. I got it recently and I thought of trying it out in today's video. And this serum made my skin look so juicy and so nice, and also provided that really beautiful healthy glow. I absolutely love this product. And the next primer I use is from Benefit. This is their Professional Primer. This is hands down the best pore minimizing primer I've ever used. It does minimize my pores and imperfections without mattifying my face. So that's why I absolutely love it. And I'm just using on the areas where I have larger pores and some texture. And lastly, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter just on the high points of my face to add some dewy glowiness. This is again an illuminating primer which provides a beautiful glow and the shine and the dewiness to the skin. Since the main focus of today's makeup is skin, that's why I'm using a lot of primers to ensure that it gives me that flawless base that I'm looking for. And then I'm taking the MAC Conceal and Correct palette. I'm using this orange color corrector to cover all of my hyperpigmentation, and also I'm using it on the areas where I have acne marks, and also applying this underneath my eyes because I have some dark circles. And for foundation today, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This is a great foundation if you have dry skin. It provides that really healthy, beautiful glow onto your skin. I absolutely love the finish of this foundation. It's just a medium coverage foundation, and but still it gives a beautiful, healthy finish onto your skin. And I'm using the flat top kabuki brush. This is from Morphe to just blend the foundation into my skin. And next I'm taking the Mars Beauty Sponge to further blend out the foundation and make it look more flawless. And for my concealer today, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You guys know how much I love this concealer. This is again, one of the best hydrating concealers I've ever used. It also has really good coverage. So I'm first going to, place the concealer in the areas where I want to highlight my face. Next, I'm taking this Huda Beauty's Tantor. This is in the shade medium, and I'm just going to contour my face. A very beautiful product, you guys. A little goes a long way. Just going to take little at a time and blend it into my skin. As you all can see, it just blends so beautifully, and also the shade looks so perfect on my skin tone. So next I'm going to blend out my concealer using the PAC 219 concealer brush. Again, I'm going to once again blend it out with the same Mars Beauty Sponge to avoid any of the brush strokes and also give that flawless finish. And yeah guys, that's how my highlighted and contoured face looks like. My face looks very snatched right now. And moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil to just fill in my sparse areas and to add some definition to my brows. Next, I'm taking the O2O liquid blush, and I'm just using one pump of this blush. As you all can see, it has really great pigmentation, and I'm going to blend it out further using the same Mars sponge. So the shade is so pretty. It's a warm peachy color which looks absolutely stunning on almost every skin tone. The finish of this particular liquid blush is so good. It's it gives a little bit of a dewiness to the face and looks very, very natural. So yeah, I really like this product. And then to further bronze my face, I'm taking the MAC Give Me Sun. Again, this is one of my absolute favorite products to use. It just gives a nice, that subtle tan glow to my face. So I really like this product. And moving on to my eyes, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. This is one of my favorite neutral tone eyeshadow palette. I'm first taking the shade Burnt Spice, and I'm using it on the outer V and also on my crease. And next, I'm going to take the shade called as Rustic from the same palette. It's a brown shade, and I'm just going to intensify my outer V and also slightly apply on my crease to define my eyes. And then I'm taking the shade Sienna on the same blending brush, and I'm going to blend this in to add some warmth on my eyes. And lastly, I'm taking the shade Tempera, which is a white satin matte, and I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids. And especially if you have hooded eyes, this is perfect to make your eyes look bigger and open, so I really like it. Once again, I'm just going to blend everything out to make it look more blended and seamless. Then to set my concealer in place, I'm taking this Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, and this is in the shade Banana Bread. And with the help of my beauty blender puff, I'm just going to apply this very lightly on my skin. I'm not going to bake in today's video. I'm just going to pat on the areas where I have applied concealer to make sure that the concealer stays for a much longer time without creasing. And then I'm going to go back to the same soft glam palette and taking the shade Sienna again, I'm just going to define my lower lash line as well. Now moving on to my lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Warm Brown. This is such a perfect shade of brown for me. It's not too dark nor it's too neutral. I'm using it to outline my lips and also fill in my lips a little bit to hide my pigmentation. So next I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color, and this is in the shade Give Me Fig. It's such a beautiful shade of pink, and I really like this gloss very much. And to make everything look a little cohesive, I'm taking this Ilana Organics Beat Tint on my cheeks, and as you all can see, it just gives that nice flush of color onto my cheeks. This provides a beautiful natural tint onto your skin, and it looks absolutely pretty. And then to set my makeup in place, I'm taking this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is such a beautiful spray. It meshes all your makeup together and makes your makeup last longer, but at the same time, it also gives such a nice flawless finish to your makeup. I absolutely love it. So once it's 80% dry, I'm going to take the same Mars Beauty sponge, and I'm just going to pat it dry to give that flawless finish. I'm taking this PAC Kohl pencil in brown, and I'm just going to line my eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of white pencil on my lower lash line to open my eyes and make my eyes appear a little bigger. I'm going to go back to the soft glam palette and take the shade Cypress Umber, which is a dark brown shade, to just do a tiny wing. And I'm also going to wing my inner corners as well to give that feline sort of an effect. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And again, going back to my face, this actually Becca X Jaclyn Hill palette. It's not available anymore, but I'm taking the shade Champagne Pop from the palette. It's a beautiful highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face on the areas where I want to provide some extra glow, because this makeup calls for that, the glowy, juicy look. So that's what I'm doing. I also added these fake lashes from PAC to just enhance my look. And next I'm taking the Sephora Outrageous Lip Plumping Gloss to mute down that pink, and also this provides such a beautiful shine to your lips and also gives a nice plump to your lips. It looks very juicy and nice. Lastly, I just added a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Powder, and I'm just going to apply this on the centers of my face to brighten my face a little more. It immediately blurred my skin out and gave that filter effect. Oh my god, I just absolutely love this product very much. So yeah guys, this is my completed clean girl makeup look, and according to the research I've done, basically clean girl makeup is nothing but an effortless glam makeup look, which just makes you look very put together and gives that clean effect. And the focus over here is your skin and just elevating your natural features. And do let me know in case you guys want like an affordable version of clean girl makeup. I can definitely do that. I'll catch you all next time with another interesting one. Until then, stay safe. Bye guys.